Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ipsy, what are you doing?
Oh,
Ipsy, 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 yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the Ipsy unboxing. I guess I can't say unbagging anymore because there's not really a bag anymore. So for this month's Ipsy, I'm gonna go ahead and open up and show you guys what's inside. And we have our little card thing that tells us the prices and what the products are. And this month we have a eyeshadow palette from It Cosmetics, and it is a naturally pretty matte Luxe transforming eyeshadow palette. We're gonna take it out of the box here in a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys what is inside, and then I will put it on my face. And then the next thing I see is this Makeup Geek foiled lip gloss, and we'll take it out of the packaging too. And then we have this set of brushes from Slmissglam. It's a trio. And we have a Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. It's an eye depuffing gel. And then we have the First Aid Beauty face cleanser. I'm gonna start with the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I don't know how to open it apparently. Oh, there it goes. So it says, after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. Okay, so we're gonna take maybe a little bit more, like that much. And this is what the product looks like. It's this tube here. This is regular size. It's not a travel size. So it says to warm it up between your fingers and then place it underneath on your bag here, under your eyes, kind of just patting it on. It dries pretty quickly. I've heard really good things about Dr. Brandt. When I had just the Ipsy Glam bag, the small, just the bag, they used to send some Dr. Brandt stuff. So I've tried some of their things, but not really put it to the test, I guess, to know if it actually works or not. But I have heard good things about it. So there that is. I'm gonna go off camera and do my face real quick, and then I'll come back and we'll try out the eyeshadow palette, and we'll do the lips as well. Okay, so we are back and we're gonna go dig into the It Cosmetics Naturally Pretty palette. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I have not touched any of these eyeshadows, so I'm not sure how they feel, but we will try them out. And so that's what the outside looks like. It feels like leather, like I don't know, it feels really soft. And then it has a little clip thingy here, and then you go and open it, and that's what the palette looks like. It is very pretty. I guess we'll find out and see how the shades work. I'm probably gonna go for a really soft look today, and I'll be using the brush trio. So let's see, this one is the eyeshadow brush, this one is a eye blending brush, and this one is the eye angled shading. So we will go in first with our shadow brush here. And to go into for our transition shade, I'm gonna go into the shade Sunrise here. That peachy brown shade right there. And we will see how it works. I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you guys can see. Oh, okay. It's pretty pigmented. You guys can see that color already on there. I'm gonna grab that blending brush, that smaller one, and see how that works to blend. That shade is really pretty. I'm gonna grab that shade again and just put a little bit more in the crease. Okay, so yeah, that brush is a little flimsy. I do like my brushes to be a little more fluffy. It doesn't seem like it's too fluffy. Like there's not enough bristles on it. Like if you can see that, it's like compared to like one of my other brushes. If you see, this one's a little more fluffy than this one, and it's like more packed, like there's more hairs on it than there is on this one. See? But I mean, they are really pretty. I just wouldn't gravitate to this one very much. I'm going to go and grab the shade Sunset. This shade right here, that's right next to the color that we just used, this one. I'm gonna go in with the eye angled shading and grab that color Sunset, just so that we can try out this brush as well. And I'm gonna pack that in the outer corner here. It does have a little bit of fallout, so that's what I was cleaning off my cheek here. For the inner corner there, I'm gonna go with this shade called Soulful, which is that shade right there. And I'm gonna go in with that shadow brush again. I'm just gonna clean it off a little bit. Clean up, everybody, everywhere, clean up. And I'm just gonna pack that in the inner corner here for a little pop of color, not too bright. That's pretty. It's a really soft look today. I usually don't go for soft looks, but it's nice to have a little change, especially when you're just wanting to leave the house. This is a really fast, easy look you can go to. I wonder if I were to put it with my finger, if it would be like a little bit brighter. I mean, it looks really pretty now. I'm not complaining, just I'm curious. I'm gonna take it with my finger and see what happens. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you could tell the difference between this eye and this eye. There, you can tell that this one is just, it has a little more color than this side. I'm just blending it in with that other shade. I'm gonna go back in and get that shade Sunset from the palette and just pack a little bit more on here. And the same on the other eye. I don't know why I say that, same on the other eye. I mean, it just makes sense that I would go back and do the same thing to the other eye. Just saying. Then I'm just gonna grab a flat brush here and that black shade that's on the palette called Noir, whatever. This color right there. I'm gonna go in with that and just a flat brush and just create a little line, like an eyeliner type, like you would with an eyeliner. And just go along my lash line there. I'm not bringing it up too high, just a little bit. Just to give a little definition to the eye. And if you see, I'm just wiggling a little bit back and forth, not making it too precise. Okay, and then for the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Transforming Pearl, which is that big shade there, that one right there, and place that in the inner corner. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Black Bean. Just a black. Sorry, it's all dirty. It's yucky. It is yucky. There we go. Now it's clean. Yay. I'm just gonna put that in the lower lash line here. And I'm gonna blend it out just a little bit. And then to further blend it out, I'm gonna go back in with that shade Sunrise right there and just blend it out underneath my lash line. Okay, Sunrise. Just taking it with that angled eye brush and placing it underneath that just to blend it out a little bit. So that's that for the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And now I'm gonna go in with another product from the box, the Ipsy Glam bag, and this is the Makeup Geek lip gloss, and this is in the shade Acoustic. It's gonna be a little, I don't know if it's gonna go with this eye look, but it does look very pretty. It's like a burgundy, and it's supposed to be foiled, so I guess we'll find out. I wonder if you need like a lip liner. Let's try doing a lip liner and then putting this over it and see what happens. I'm gonna go in with this lip contour liner from Pixi. This is in the shade Natural Rose. And then let's go in with that lip gloss. That's really huge. I don't know why you need a wand that big. I mean, I guess to reach all the way to the bottom is good, but the packaging is very pretty though on this. If you guys can see, it has the Makeup Geek logo on it on the top, and then it's like an ombre effect here. It is really pretty. The applicator on this is pretty cool. I like that it has that tip on it. It's just easier to get like on these harder spots here. So if you do use this lip gloss with this eye look, it makes it a little more of a bold type of look. If you just wear a natural lip with this, then it probably looked a little more soft. But since I did put this lip gloss on, it just makes it a little more dramatic. So to finish off the look, I'm gonna just use my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Fixing Spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look using the products from our Ipsy Glam bag for this month. Let's go through them and see what I liked and what I didn't like. So first, let's start with the Dr. Brandt Needless No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, which is this. I guess my under eyes still look the same to me, but maybe if you keep using it more, it'll do something. I don't know. I'm gonna keep trying it and then get back to you guys on this one. And then the brushes. The brushes are nice. I did like these two. This one is okay. I wish it was just a little bit more fluffy and had more hairs on it. I do like my brushes to be a little more fluffy, but these two are nice. They worked really well. They packed on the color and they blended the eyeshadows really good. So I did like these two. And then for the eyeshadow palette, this is really pretty. I do like the colors in here. I want to play with some of the other colors. I like that it does have some cool tone colors in it, so that you can create cool tone looks, and then you have some warm colors in here as well that you can play with. So I did enjoy that. It is more for a soft look. Obviously it's called Naturally Pretty, so it fits the name of the palette. So I did really like this. And then the Makeup Geek foiled lip gloss. This is really pretty as well. I do like the color. I don't understand why it says foiled, because I mean I see a little sheen, but it's more of a metallic than a foiled lip gloss. Even if I like press my lips together, I don't see like a difference. I guess it's more a metallic. I guess foiled metallic, maybe it's the same thing. I don't know, but the packaging on this is very pretty. As you can see, I do like it a lot. I did like the shade as well, so I will be using this in other videos or just to use it. And then the one thing that I did not talk about was the First Aid Beauty cleanser. I have heard good things about First Aid Beauty and their products, but I've never tried them myself. This is a cleanser, so I will go ahead and put it in my routine to see how it works, and I'll let you guys know. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in my next one. Toodles! I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you guys can see. Oh, not further away, closer. Let me put you further away so you can't see.